Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about a topic that's very close to all our hearts, skincare. Taking care of our skin is essential, but sometimes we unknowingly make mistakes that can affect our skin's health and appearance. But fret not, because I'm here to help you fix those mistakes. So let's dive right in. Not knowing your skin type. One of the most common mistakes is not knowing your skin type. Identifying whether you have oily, dry, combination, or sensitive skin is crucial in choosing the right skincare products. The fix is simple. To determine your skin type, wash your face, wait for an hour without applying products, and observe your skin. Consulting a professional can also help. Overwashing your face. Another mistake we often make is overwashing our face. Cleansing is essential, but excessive washing can strip away the natural oils and disrupt the skin's protective barrier. To fix this, stick to washing your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bedtime. Treat your skin to a gentle and customized cleansing experience that perfectly matches your skin type, avoiding any harsh scrubbing motions. Skipping sunscreen. Many people skip sunscreen, thinking it's only necessary on sunny days. But the truth is, our skin needs protection from harmful UV rays every day. The fix here is simple. Make sunscreen a part of your daily skincare routine. Select a full-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, and generously apply it to all sun-exposed areas of your skin for comprehensive protection. Picking at your skin. We've all experienced the frustration of a surprise pimple, and the instinct to pick at it can be hard to ignore. Yet it's essential to resist the urge, as picking at your skin can lead to lasting scars and open the door to potential infections. To avoid this mistake, be patient. Instead of picking, apply a spot treatment with ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. If you're tempted to pick, distract yourself with another activity. Using too many products. With so many skincare products available, it's easy to go overboard and use too many at once. But layering too many products can cause irritation and counteract their effectiveness. Simplify your skincare routine. Stick to the basics: a cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, and perhaps one or two targeted treatments. Remember, quality over quantity. Neglecting the neck and hands. Often we focus solely on our face, forgetting about two other areas that show signs of aging: the neck and hands. Take your skincare regimen a step further by including your neck and hands in the routine. These areas are often overlooked but are just as vulnerable to signs of aging and environmental damage. Apply moisturizer and sunscreen to these areas daily to keep them looking youthful and healthy. So there you have it, common skincare mistakes and their easy fixes. Taking care of our skin doesn't have to be complicated, but it does require consistency and knowledge about our skin's needs. Remember to know your skin type, use the right products, and avoid harmful habits. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks.